Hi everyone, I'm Jonathan, messenger for the spirit world. Hope you're all keeping safe and well. I have a lady with me um, called Andrea. Now, Andrea passed a few years ago um, in a plane crash. She, right, she's saying that she can't remember the plane hitting trees as it came down because she was taken. Right, okay, right. What? Okay. What she's saying is that before the plane crashed, the whole passenger plane um, right. Correction. All the passengers of the plane, thank you, were all spirited away to the spirit world. Sorry, she's talking to me. She's telling me all about it when. Um, right, okay. She says there were quite a group of angels around her and the other passengers, and she basically was taken out of her body, and they're saying she wouldn't have survived the crash anyway, so they took them out the bodies and took them up to the spirit world. Um, Therefore, they didn't. She says it was over and done with in a flash. Really, she says, but the the plane got into trouble and was coming down and losing altitude, and it would have. Right, okay. It hit forest area on hills, and the forest areas um, they'd have been there for days anyway, and they wouldn't have survived. And right, she says there were no pain. She says there were a lot of confusion um, because they didn't know what was happening, and the angel said, "Don't worry, you this is what's happened," and they were trying to educate them as they were travelling to the spirit world. Um, they had to go into a like a waiting room, and they were spoken to by an angel, and they had the spirit guides with them, and they had their guardian angels and quite a large number of people comforting them. She says it was absolutely beautiful. She says it was really, we didn't have time to be frightened because there were no fear. And the only thing she didn't see was a daughter, Josie, um, and that's who she misses. She was right. She thinks right. Sorry, I do apologise. That was my fault. She knows that her daughter's now in her 30s, so it happened a few years ago, and she does come back regular to see her daughter, but her daughter is quite closed off and put barriers up since some of the past into the world of spirit. But she's trying to say through me to Josie that she is there, she is seeing you, and right. She's happy that you still got the little horse, and she's glad that you got the love heart, a, a golden love heart that she bought you, and she's proud that you still wear it. Although she says you've changed the chain because obviously you grew up and the chain was getting too small, so you changed the chain. And she was with you when that happened. She says because you feel a blast of cold air around your face and around your body, and that's her trying to kiss you and blessing you. She says, I'm always with you, you're never alone, and I love you dearly. Okay. Right. Okay. She's saying the car that you have at the moment, you need to get the brakes checked on the car because it's not safe, and you don't know this, but the car's not. The brakes aren't safe enough, and I'm not saying you're going to have an accident or anything, but the motor mechanics that you're seeing are not trustworthy, and they're just doing it for money. They're saying that they're doing things that they're not. Okay. So get the car checked, or replace the car, or replace the brakes. Right. Okay. She's saying that she's proud of you being a journalist because when you left university, you became a journalist. So she's proud of you being a journalist, and she says she loves you as much now as what she always did, and at least she saw you growing up. Unfortunately, you didn't see her seeing you grow up, but she was there, and she was there at every birthday and every Christmas, and she always sent a kiss or a feather, and them feathers are gifts that Mummy's sending you. So thank you. She's just saying thank you very much for listening, and she hopes that Josie sees this and it comforts her because she still has dreams, bad dreams, about Mummy not being there, and it's perfectly understandable. But she is there, and okay. She's saying kiss, kiss, good night, and God bless. And on that note, she's pulling away now, and I'd just like to say thank you so much for supporting me and tuning in. And if you're new to my videos, please like and subscribe and hit the little notification bell. And thanks for tuning in once again. God bless you all, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.